What's up everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today I am going to show you how you can add a WhatsApp and Telegram chat button to your WordPress and Blogger website. So let me open my website, and as you can see, if I click on the chat button, you will see a chat box like this where you can click on chat on WhatsApp or chat on Telegram to jump to the platform. So if you are selling any product or services, then this type of chat button is very helpful, and you don't need a plugin for that. You can use custom code to easily add a WhatsApp or Telegram chat button to your website. So let's check how we can do it in WordPress first, and then we can move to Blogger. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, and here you need to add a code manager plugin. Just go to plugins, click on add plugins and search for WP code, and here make sure to install the WP code plugin. And after that, you can see a option code snippet. Just go to header and footer and go to footer section and paste a code like this. So I will provide the code link in the description, so you can just download it, copy it and paste it here. And after that, you just need to change the URL of your Telegram and WhatsApp link. So as you can see, you can change your name. So let me open the site first. Let's click on here and you can change your name. So let's do that. So here we can change it to A. So this is the text showing off here in the circle, and then we can change our name, and you can also add your company name here. Now you can change your message. Now here you need to add your WhatsApp number, so you can add +91. So you have to add your country code, and you can then add your phone number here like this. Now you can also add your Telegram username. So let me do that. That's it. Hit save changes. Now let's go to home page and let's refresh it. Let's click on the chat button, and as you can see, we have changed our name. You can change all these text. Hi there, we are here to help. And then if you click on chat on WhatsApp, then it will go to WhatsApp, and if you click on chat on Telegram, then it will go to your Telegram profile. So this is how you can add a WhatsApp chat button to your WordPress website. This is fully responsive. So let's click on inspect, click on iPhone SE, and this is how it looks in mobile devices, as you can see. So it is perfectly fine. The process is same. You just need to go to Blogger dashboard theme, click on edit HTML, and you need to copy a code like this. And let me scroll to the end, search for the closing body tag, paste the code just before it. Similarly, you can change your name and links. You can add AMP semicolon like this and hit save. And as you can see, our chat button is added like this. So you can further modify your layout. You can see there is a back to top button, so you can change this position. So you can raise this chat button to 3 rem or 4 rem. So let me click on inspect. Let's click on chat container, and you can see bottom 1.25 rem. So let's change that to, let's say, 2 or 4 rem. As you can see, it is now above the back to top button, and you can change the right position. Let's reduce it to 0.5 rem like this. So you can adjust the position here, so it will show above the back to top button, or you can move this back to top button to the left side. So let's click on here, click on the back to top button, and here you can simply change this right to left. And as you can see, now it is moved to left side. Now let's close here, and you can see in desktop there is still in the right side. So for this, you have to change this value as well to top. So let's change this right to left. So here one is the to top class, and then we have media query. So you have to change all these values. Let's change it to left like this. So it will shift the back to top button to left on each of the devices like mobile, tablet or desktop, and that's it. Now you have the chat button in the right side and back to top button in the left side. So all you have to do is make some changes on your CSS code and you will add a chat button like this pretty easily. And let me know if you face any issue setting up this chat button to your Blogger or WordPress website. You can also implement some conditional tags to limit the loading of this chat button. Suppose you want to load it only on home page or your services page, then you can use Blogger conditional tag to load on a specific page. And if you are using WordPress and want to load this widget on a specific page, then you can just cut it from here, and you can also use conditions. So just go to add snippet. Let's click on add custom snippet. Here you can select universal snippet and paste your code. Now let's click on activate. Let's add chat button. I want to load it only on the home page, so let me add home page like this. Now scroll down and here you will see logic, smart conditional logic. Let's enable that and let's click on here, and you can select different options. So page, so you can select type of page and you can set home page or blog page or archive page or single post or page. So let me select home page here. Let's click on save snippet. Now it is loading on home page, but if you go to your about page, then the same chat button is removed from the about page. And if you want to display only on about page, then just copy the URL and let's change the condition tab. So I will select page URL and let me paste that URL here. Now it will only load in your about us page. So let's refresh that, and as you can see it is loading in about us page. But if I go to blog page or home page, then the same chat button is removed. So this is how you can individually load your chat button on specific pages. And if you are using Blogger, then you can use Blogger conditional tag. So I have already made videos on Blogger conditional tag as well, so make sure to follow that video. Link will be given in the description. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.